Hello guys, it's me again, and today I have a new video for you. I know it's been a while, and today's video is gonna be on my gaming PC that I recently built. This is just a note before I start the video that this is only a mid-range PC and is aimed at gaming and evolves around my budget. To start my build off, I have an MSI A78M E45 micro ATX board. It has all the ports that I want, 4 240 pin DDR3 slots for a maximum of 64 gigabytes of RAM, 4 USB 3.0 ports, and 2 USB 2.0 ports. For my motherboard, I wasn't looking for anything real special, but just that it had all the ports that I needed and wanted. For my graphics card, I have a Sapphire Radeon R9 270X. It has 2 gigabytes of memory and has support for AMD's new Mantle API. I chose this graphics card because it is a great mid-range card and can run basically any game I want it to at high settings. For my processor, I got an Athlon X4 760K. It is clocked at 3.8 gigahertz and it is a quad-core CPU. For its price, this is a great processor. It can run most modern games well and is very inexpensive. To cool my CPU, I got a Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO CPU cooler. I didn't think it was gonna fit in my case, but it ended up fitting, just barely, but it did fit. To hold everything together, I have an NZXT Source 210 Elite case. It has the usual power and reset buttons on the front, along with one USB 3.0 port and one USB 2.0 port. It also has one microphone jack and one audio jack on the front. For the case, I just went with one that wasn't very expensive and fit my desk's color nicely. For memory, I went with 8 gigabytes of Kingston Hyper RAM. It is the usual 240 pin DDR3 memory and it is clocked at 1600 megahertz. Since it's a single 8 gigabyte card, I can always upgrade to 16 gigabytes if I needed to. For storage, I got a 1 terabyte Western Digital Caviar Blue hard drive. While I would love to have an SSD, it did not fit my budget, so instead I went with a 1 terabyte hard drive, which is plenty for storing all my games. To power everything, I have a Corsair Builder 500 watt power supply. The Corsair Builder series are great power supplies, and I went with a few more watts just in case if I wanted to overclock. In the 3D Mark Firestrike Benchmark, I got a score of 4,771. This is about what I was expecting and is good for a mid-range build. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I'm going to be trying to post a video every Sunday, so stay tuned. I hope to see you guys next time on Damn Random Videos.